Leisure Experiment Presentation, Camping at Yosemite Park by Kathleen Camacho. Camping, a place where tents, huts, or other temporary shelters are set by soldiers, nomads, or other travelers. In this picture, you see a 3-room tent occupied by myself and some friends. Why camp now? I've decided to camp now because before I never had a chance to. I'm not considered an outdoorsy kind of person. I usually wasn't interested, and I'm scared of wildlife. Some statistics on women in camping. Between 1980 and 2002, 22% women were injured by bear attacks. 6% were female park rangers moving an injured bear. In 2003, 1.5 million women spent a night camping in the UK. And in 2008, 14% Park Malden customers were women. A theory about women in camping is when a woman is menstruating, they do not go camping. This is because there was speculation that due to odors associated with menstruation, women may be more prone to be attacked by bears than men are. Some camping challenges that occurred was the hike. It was terrible. Having to use the restroom was different. There was no hot water, so it was hard to bathe. I was getting bitten by mosquitoes. And again, I was scared of the wildlife. Also, the differences in environment. This was different for me because I'm born and raised in the city, and being outdoors was a different atmosphere for me. And also not being able to cleanse. Values from the experience was that I was able to appreciate home, wildlife. I engaged in physical strength and endurance. I was more appreciative of the water that I consume, and I was able to cherish more friendships. Camping and women in leisure. Although there may be speculations to why most women do not camp, mainly during their menstrual periods, camping is a great way to experience the great outdoors. It helps one appreciate the world from a whole other perspective. It's athletically challenging. On the other hand, you are taken away from the city life. It is a wonderful experience that every woman should try at least once. In relation to the course, camping is not considered a woman-type thing to do. However, given the opportunity, women can be just as outdoorsy, athletic, and woodsy as men are. The feelings, skills, and insight I gained from camping were the hardships, the physical activity. It was tranquility, very relaxing, and I gained appreciation for more things. The end.